So I'll be showing you how to download and install Snapchat on your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. So this is very simple. What you need to do is go to your phone's App Store. For Android users, it's the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, that is the Apple App Store. Now, when you're here, just go to the search function and type Snapchat and then search for Snapchat. And then you should see it. It looks like this by Snap Inc. Tap on install, and that's going to install the Snapchat app onto your phone. You're just going to install it the way you would install any other app on the Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the installation is complete, you can either tap on open from the App Store, or you can just go to your app screen and find the Snapchat icon. Tap on it to launch. You can either sign up if you don't have an account, or if you already have an account, just tap on login and then log in with your username and password. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.